Right, I'm going to show you how to use this table extractor. First you need to load it. I'm in AutoCAD with a drawing already loaded with some tables showing. That's AutocadDataScan. Load that, and then to open it, just click there. Now, if you want a table like this one here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So you set that to 8, press get, and then zoom in here. You can get the headers if you want. Right, then that's the information that it's extracted. Now if you transform that, press transform, that gives it to you in a digital format, which you can save to Excel. Just press save, call it test here. And then you can open that. Right, now find that in Excel. There it is, or in Explorer, sorry. Open it in Excel, and there it is. You can do what you like with that now. Right, that's a digital table. Now, by digital I mean, like, see, this is text that you can select. If you get pictures like this, or this, or this is where you can use the AI version of it. So go AI scan, capture. You want to zoom in fairly well for this. I'll just take that and the headers. Then you submit it. And it's changed those that paper-based table into a digital one. You save that again. Scan table, save. Okay. And then see it in Explorer. Open it. And there it is for you. That's pretty much it. So you can get either pictures or paper tables, and you can extract digital tables in AutoCAD with actual sort of text elements that you can select. So I hope that's useful for you, and enjoy using it.